talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Costco app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. So when you just keep going down here, it's going to show for you here sign out. You just click on it here. So then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your Costco app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching.